this will be an interesting video to shoot. So, I have an idea. This isn't like my typical content style, but gone to a few events now with a regular group of friends, and I want to give Kyler a airsoft gun. And I built him this. And right now I'm kind of like Frankensteining it together so it plays nice. As for right now, the issues that it's having is that basically I pull the trigger with it engaged and the motor just like spins. It's not hitting any of the gears here in the gearbox. Also, the pop-up unit I got donated to me wasn't sealing properly, so we're gonna see if we can fix that as well. But hopefully we can get this thing working, because I'd love to give this to Kyler. Because otherwise it's just sitting around like collecting dust, and that's sad. For the record, I'm also super aware that you typically don't record good doings, but I think this will be fun to document, and just kind of to like have a video about working on a gun, which I might try to do more of. Help has arrived.
Well, there's issue number one. You have no spacer plug in there.
Oh, is that the bottom of the motor?
Yeah.
Oh!
So you've got nothing spacing that motor out?
So I thought, hang on, yeah. What I thought was the issue was, I thought that this was the spacer just put all the way up, and I'm like, that's so weird. Why isn't it tapping the gearbox? It should be doing that. So, we'll fix the plate.
Yeah. We'll hope that this one has enough bite in it.
So this one has the riser built into it, right? Like that we can...
Mm-hmm. It's that little Allen key. It's like a little set screw.
Cool. All right.
I like this one better because it's pretty much solid the entire way. So you're not really concerned about any dirt or whatnot getting into the bottom of it.
This is why we keep a community parts bin. Look at that.
Let's throw a mag in it and see what it does.
Look at that.
Now it's not feeding.
I did not put a lot of ammo in there. You definitely went through all of it.
Oh.
Let's do this. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot.
Here it is. All done after all that work. We have a full 10-inch Crytek Alpha with Lancer gearbox and a swapped CNC aluminum hop-up unit and a new high torque motor in there, along with a little M-lock grip for him. Kyler and Jennifer are actually coming over today, and I think that might be a good time to give to him.
Let me in! Let me in!
We've been working hard. Got lots of parts.
Wait, hold on.
Working hard all week. We built you a gun.
Is this actually hard?
Yeah.
Holy sh! Why is it so heavy?
Full metal.
And you get 1 extra mag.
Wait, did you
'Cause I
guys
love
actually build me this?
Yes.
That's dope.
And then the op where my gun failed, I was actually testing the parts from inside that one in my gun secretly. So
You gave me a broke gun?
no.
Hey, at least you have. Okay. Oh my God, Kyler, this is your gun.
Yo, holy shit. They just gave me a car? No way. Hit that smash that like button, hit that subscribe. Once we get to 80 mil, I'm gonna show my bare ass.
Oh my God.
Dude, the iron sight does not work.
Jesus Christ, she keeps pointing things at me.
Dude, safety is not on.
I'm not shooting it.
I know, but the safety is not on.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Can't trust a Frankenstein gun, dude. You know?
So actually,
Ow, what the?
Did it actually
Yes.
hit your foot?
Yes. I'm wearing sandals.